we're going to go ahead and we're going to send a wizard here, a wizard here, a wizard here. Make sure your warden is set to ground at this point, but we want this wizard to activate the invisibility spell tower. It's going to deal damage to the storage, which will set off that invisibility spell. Perfect. Now from there, we're going to be ready with our royal champion, and once that's all done being invisible, we're going to send in our royal champion at the single. We're going to send in our golem up top here, and just allow this golem to start working. Our royal champion is going to get to the invisibility tower, and that's really what we want. We're going to send in the next golem here, and then we're going to send in 2 more golems here, 2 P.E.K.K.A.s, king, and the warden through there. All right, guys, this is exactly what we're hoping for. We just want everything kind of set through here, in motion, working through the middle of this base. We're going to go ahead and allow everything to just deal some massive damage. We'll get through that enemy royal champion with our royal champion, and then when our king starts taking a little bit of damage, we can pop our king ability and pop the warden ability in tandem, okay? And then finally, once everything starts working over to this last little section, we're going to place in our final golem with our wizards right over here. Perfect, guys. Now we need to backtrack a little bit because we need to take out the town hall. We're going to place in our queen and then let her take this town hall. All right? She may need her ability, but if you took everything out here, she should be fine to take this down without ability. Everything else is going to work through the bottom side, and we're going to crush this base, guys. Queen's going to be fine through here, and really we just have a little bit left. The main thing is this Tesla over in the corner is guarded by skeletons, so you can actually kind of cheese this by hitting your queen ability to one-shot that Tesla, and this is how we're going to beat the 2023 challenge. It's really all about just trying to pair that king ability with the warden ability, using your royal champion ability when it makes sense, and then you finish off the challenge and get rewarded with a builder potion.